G'day folks, I hope you're well. Thanks for stopping by. Just a very quick one today. I'm just going to talk about the progress so far. Throughout the build, I've been making a few templates such as these, just to ensure that if I ever make another guitar, it probably won't be quite so time consuming or as difficult. So we've got a few templates here that I'll be using throughout the course of the build for the body, and likewise the guide for the truss rod, and 1:1 scale of the neck, and what we've made thus far is the fretboard. This particular fretboard was made from a piece of timber I found in the roof of our house. Our house was built in the 1950s, so I dare say that this piece of timber is maybe around about 70 years old. I'm not really sure what the timber is, but it was quite easy to machine, and I'll probably leave it that colour. I won't stain it black like the Red Special. I actually quite like that colour, so I'm going to try and leave it as close to that colour as I possibly can. And in order to radius the fretboard, I had to make up this jig. As you've probably seen in the other video, the router sits in the top and just runs down a track over the fretboard like so, and thus radiusing the fretboard as we go. That's made life a lot easier. Of course, it took me a while to make that up, but that will be there for the future as well. As for the body itself, some 100-year-old hardwood, very tough timber, and as you can see, that's designed to sit in anyway, it sits in here, just like in the original Red Special. And this timber itself is some floorboards that were from my parents' house that was built in the 1980s. And likewise, this other timber came from my parents' place as well, and the body as well came from my parents' place as well. So I'm trying to use as much symbolic timber that I've got lying around and that I've acquired. And with regard to the neck, I've got a piece of what I believe may be Jarrah. It's very tough timber. It's very difficult to work with. Probably going to regret using this, but I may have to do this again anyway, because I have a feeling I've routed this this channel a little bit too deep, so this neck may not be usable, but we'll wait and see. So that's it thus far. We've still got a long way to go, and I've got a video coming out soon too for all the Rhodes people. I'm sorry I probably neglected you a little bit over the holidays. So I'll have a Rhodes video coming out soon, and likewise probably another Queen piano video. We'll see how much time I've got. And there's also the Rover motor mower that's coming along as well. So there's lots of projects on the go, lots happening, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.